How to schedule an appointment with a US bank. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up easily and we should be able to schedule an appointment with US bank. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can start by going to usbank.com, and this is our following site, and we can do that within our website itself. So once you're in the website, we can scroll down to this section right here, connect with us. And there we can easily find an option called make an appointment. So we just need to click on this option. And once we have clicked on this option, that should lead us to this page where we can start up creating an appointment. So you can select what you would like to discuss. You can select either you want to make a personal appointment or a business appointment. Select one of the options, for example, a personal appointment. After that, we can follow out the process. So we can select up a service, what service we would like, for example, getting help with the existing account or learning more about checkings and many more. So let's click on this option called get help, and you can select a option how you will be attending the appointment. If it's in person, phone, or a video, you can select one of the options. If you have selected in person, what we need to do is we need to browse the list of the branches nearby. So you can just go over and click on it. For example, let's say this is the location. You can click on select in order to select up the location and click on the branch that you want to visit. Once you've done so, you can select up an preferred staff member, anyone available, or a specific staff member, any of the one, and click on it. And all we gotta do is now schedule an appointment by selecting up a date. So select up a date, for example, Tuesday, and your time as well, your morning or your evening. And then we need to enter our details. So provide in your first name and then your last name. After that, your email address and your mobile number. After that is done, you can even check mark this option right here by providing a mobile number. You're expressing consenting to receive non-marketing text message if you want. Apart from that, you can add any notes about what you want to discuss in this section. Once it is done, you can select this option for additional attendee as well if you have anyone coming with you, and click on this option called book appointment, and you can review your appointment and confirm it. And then you should be getting a confirmation email or text, and some branches allow walk-ins, but appointments are faster. You can arrive a few minutes early and bring any kind of ID and documents relevant to your appointment, and you should be able to directly contact them. And that's it, everybody. This is how you make an appointment with US Bank itself. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more